students. Today our topic name is microorganism. Before we see this topic, I want to ask you a few questions towards you. Why do you learn through the online or WhatsApp by using mobile phone? Why do some people are moving from here to their native? Why some people are working from home? All these are caused only by coronavirus. Can we see this coronavirus with our next eye? No, because this is a microorganism. This is a microorganism. Microorganisms are too small in size that they cannot be seen through naked eye. நம்மளால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம் ரொம்ப சின்னதாக இருக்கிறதுனால பார்க்க முடியாது கண்ணால். Then how can we see those organisms? Yes, microorganisms can be seen only with the help of a microscope. Microscope is a scientific instrument which can show a minute particle also clearly. So microorganisms can be seen only with the help of microscope. Shall we give definition for microorganism? What are microorganisms? Organisms which can be seen only with the help of a microscope are called microorganisms. The microorganisms is otherwise called microbes. They are otherwise called microbes. இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன மைக்ரோஆர்கானிசத்துக்கு? microbes. The science that deals with the study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. What is microbiology? The study of microorganisms. மைக்ரோஆர்கானிசத்தை பற்றி படிக்கிற படிப்புக்கு பேர் என்னது? மைக்ரோபயாலஜி. அப்போ யார் அதை பற்றி படிப்பாங்க? The scientist who study. The scientist who study about microorganisms is known as microbiologist. So microorganism பற்றி படிக்கிற சயின்டிஸ்டுக்கு பேர் என்னது? microbiologist. So microorganisms where is found? The microorganisms are found everywhere. Microorganisms occur everywhere. They are found in air, water like ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans, soil and even inside our bodies. So microorganisms are found in air, water, soil and even inside our bodies. Inside our bodies means we are suffering from fever, cold, jaundice, polio, some diseases. So those things are caused by microorganisms like bacteria, fungi. இப்போ நமக்கு வந்து உடம்புல டாட் இட்ச்லாம் வருதுன்னா ஃபங்கையால் வரும். தென் ஃபீவர் வருது, மலேரியா வருதுன்னா மலேரியாதால் வரும் ஒரு பிளாஸ்மோடியம். தட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம், தட் இஸ் பாரசைட். கோல்டு வருது, கோல்டு வர்றதுக்கு ரீசன் ஒரு வைரஸ். ஸோ microorganisms like virus, bacteria, fungi are also they are living inside our bodies. Some of them can even survive in severely adverse conditions such as hot springs, deserts, snow and deep oceans. ஸோ வாட்டர், ஏர், சாயில் நம்ம பாடியில் இல்லாமல் வேறு எங்கே கூட அது இருக்கும். அது கண்டிஷன்ஸுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி ஹாட் ஸ்ப்ரிங்ஸ், டெசர்ட்டில், ஸ்னோவில், டீப் ஓஷன்ஸில் கூட இருக்கும். ஸோ தே ரிமைன் inactive under unfavorable conditions and become active during favorable conditions. So microorganisms can be studied under 5 categories. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoa. So these 5 kinds we can learn more about in this chapter. Next, types of microorganism. Microorganism as classified into 5 types. First one, virus. Second one, bacteria. Third one, fungi. Fourth one, algae. And fifth one, protozoan. So let's come. We can discuss about each and every one microorganism. First one is virus. Virus means poison. Virus means poison in Latin. So virus is a tiny particle which is made up of genetic material and protein. It was discovered by, discover means yaar kandupidichanga, discovered by IVANOWSKY. 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 IVANOWSKY means, how can you remember this scientist name? You can divide IVANOWSKY. Like this you can keep in your mind. IVANOWSKY. IVANOWSKY. So virus was discovered by IVANOWSKY in 1892. The virus can act as both living and non-living. Living means they can develop, grow and multiply inside the human bodies as well as all the living organisms. They respond to heat, chemicals and radiations. They show irritability also. Non-living character means they cannot act out of the living organism. They act like a non-living things. So they can be crystallized and stored for a very long time like other non-living things. The metabolic machinery, cytoplasm absent. So cytoplasm absent means there is no any cell organelles. Cell organelles means mitochondria, ribosome, vacuoles, lysosome. So those organisms are not organelles not present here. Types of virus. There are 5 types of viruses. First one, plant virus. Second one, animal virus. Third one, algal virus. Fourth one, fungal virus. And fifth one, bacteriophage. Plant virus means virus that can affect or infect plant only is called plant virus. Example, tobacco mosaic virus or TMV. Second one, animal virus. Animal virus means virus that infect animal is called animal virus. We can give example. For example, influenza. And third one, algal virus. And algal virus means, you can say definition, virus that infect algae is called algal virus. Fourth one, fungal virus. Virus that infect fungi is called fungal virus. And fifth one, bacteriophage. Virus that can affect or infect bacteria is called bacteriophage. So These 5 are types of virus. And one more thing, virology. Virology means to study about virus. What is virology? To study about virus is called virology, or the science that deals with virus is called virology. Now we are going to see about structure of virus. We can take any one virus. So now I am going to take bacteriophage and animal virus influenza, because influenza as RNA genetic material and bacteriophage as DNA genetic material. Let's come. We can see structure of virus. Students, this picture name is bacteriophage. Structure of bacteriophage, which means structure of virus. A virus contains a core DNA or RNA. In bacteriophage, this virus has DNA as a genetic material. This DNA surrounded by protein coat. This protein coat is enveloped in some cases lipids, carbohydrates. The envelope has spikes. These spikes are seen in some viruses. This as the next, which means influenza viruses. See, this is influenza virus. This is the type of animal virus. Influenza virus also have genetic material, but this genetic material is RNA. We can before see in bacteriophage genetic material as a DNA, but in influenza as RNA. This RNA genetic material also surrounded by protein coat. This protein coat is enveloped by lipid, carbohydrate. But in bacteriophage there is no lipid coat. Only it is present in the influenza virus. I already told you, lipid and carbohydrate coat are present in some viruses only. So these are the picture of influenza virus. This influenza virus has RNA and lipid envelope, but look at in bacteriophage virus. Here protein coat only present, not lipid and carbohydrate coat, and genetic material also DNA. What is the genetic material present in influenza virus? RNA. And also what is extra present here? Lipid coat. So this is the structure of virus. Thank you.